Hi everyone, welcome to Transfer 101. My name is Erin Wetherill and I am a coordinator of student advising at the Community College of Vermont in White River Junction.
Hi, my name is Jessica Riley, and I'm also a coordinator of student advising at the Community College of Vermont's White River Junction Academic Center. Today we're going to be talking about transferring and what it means to transfer. Transferring means to take classes with the intention of using the credits towards a degree at another institution, commonly referred to as taking prerequisites. It also can mean to complete an associate's degree or two-year degree at one college with the intention of completing a bachelor's degree or four-year degree at another institution.
So why transfer? There are many benefits to starting your post-secondary education at a community college. You can develop college-level skills in a supportive environment. You can receive personalized advising. Every student at the Community College of Vermont is assigned an advisor who follows them throughout the duration of their studies. The class sizes are small, usually a maximum of 16 students. You have access to resources, such as tutoring, peer mentoring, and leadership opportunities. It's also an opportunity to demonstrate academic potential before you may apply to a goal school. The schedule is also very flexible. If you need to work or have family obligations, you can take classes in the evenings or online. There's also guaranteed admission to some schools. This is known as a pathway or articulation agreements, and we will talk more about this in another slide. It's also cost-effective to take classes at community college first.
Generally, community colleges have the lowest tuition among higher education institutions. To take a full course load for 1 year at CCV costs approximately $8,400. Often between federal and state grants, the tuition, fees, and books are almost completely covered for a CCV student.
It's important to keep in mind the different types of admissions when applying to college. The first is open admissions. Open admissions means that no SAT or SAT scores are required. No essay is required, and there are no application fees. Regular admissions is most common among four-year colleges and universities. Students can submit applications by a specific date. At competitive schools that have regular admissions, applications are reviewed and applicants that are the best fit are accepted. The third type is rolling admissions. Rolling admissions means that students can apply at any time during an admissions period, and admissions are offered on a first-come, first-served basis.
When you are considering transferring, it's important to be aware of the admissions deadlines for your program of choice at the school you hope to attend. For example, some programs or schools have a deadline of December 1st for admittance the following fall semester. Any applicants accepted after this date are put on a wait list. Some schools have different deadlines for different programs, depending on the popularity and competitiveness of the degree program. Essays are often a part of the application process at many schools. Planning ahead so you can proofread and edit your essay while still submitting it on time is essential. Letters of recommendation are another common aspect of the application package. Carefully consider who you ask to write a recommendation letter for you. Make sure you have made a favorable impression on the person you're asking, but also consider who the person is, the profession of the person, and what quality letter they might write. Choose someone who's a good writer and likely to meet the deadline for submission of your application. Review the website for the school you plan to apply to. Many schools have specific requirements that they expect applicants to meet before applying. They will look for a high GPA, good grades, mostly A's and B's, and may want you to have taken certain classes before applying to their school. For example, at CCV, most allied health students complete Anatomy and Physiology 1 and 2, Intro to Nutrition, and Intro to Psych before applying to a nursing program at another school. It's also common for students to take English composition, math, science classes, and other electives at a community college before transferring to save money and take some pressure off in the first year of the new program at the new school. When in doubt, check in with the transfer office at the school you plan to transfer to, because their registrar's office will be making the final decision on what credits transfer.
Many community colleges have partnerships with four-year institutions that lay out the curriculum to follow if you intend to start at one college and transfer to another, which ensures that credits will transfer. Depending on the type of partnership, this can be referred to as a pathway or articulation agreement. The Community College of Vermont has special transfer agreements with 17 colleges granting bachelor's degrees. This includes direct admissions to Vermont state colleges, Castleton University, Northern Vermont University at Lyndon and Johnson, and Vermont Technical College. If this is your plan, it's especially important to work closely with your academic advisor, because with most of these pathways, the sooner you decide you are going to follow them, the better. That way, you don't take any extraneous classes not contained within the pathway. This can make accomplishing your ultimate goal easier and cost-effective.
The dual enrollment program enables students to take up to 2 free classes during their junior or senior year in high school. These can be classes offered directly through CCV or classes offered inside of tech centers and high schools. Students can get credit for both high school and college at the same time while saving money. The cost of taking a class at CCV is $940 for a 3-credit class, which equals a savings of $1,880 on your college degree if you take advantage of both dual enrollment classes.
Early college is another great program for high school students, specifically for high school seniors. This program is best for those students who are highly motivated and strong academically. If you are interested in applying for early college, it's important to start planning during your junior year. The Community College of Vermont's early college program allows you to take up to 36 college credits during your senior year, which is equivalent to a $10,000 value. There are many similar programs at other Vermont institutions.
As you can see, there are many benefits to taking classes at a community college before starting your bachelor's degree at another institution. If you'd like more information or have follow-up questions, you can contact your local CCV Academic Center. Thanks for listening.